Hey traders, it's Danielle, and I wanted to tell you about a setup that I found in CoreWeave today. So this one had a pretty big move this year. You can see it exploded from a low of 33.52 all the way up to 187. It has since pulled back and it's consolidated at the 21 EMA, but at this point, I think that this one is getting ready to go again. So what do we do with it from here? Well, first of all, you want to look at the lower time frame charts. So you can see here, there are also setups on these lower time frame charts. We have a 195-minute squeeze here, and then we also have a 78-minute squeeze forming. You can see that on this one, we have shifted higher. We have these nice green candles. We have high volume bars, and we have upside targets at 170, 175, and 180. So if you look at this, ideally what will happen is we will see this 78-minute squeeze fire, and then after that 78-minute squeeze fires, that will cause the 195-minute squeeze to fire, and then that should cause the daily squeeze to fire. After meeting those lower time frame targets, the next one is going to be up here at the $200 price target, which is going to be a new high. So I'm going to be trading this one in the Mastering the Trade room. If you want to come join us, click on the link below, and that's where you'll find live analysis, trade alerts, setups that are posted, and more.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.